What is up, YouTube? Crazy Dirt right here, giving you a piece of your medicine for all of you YouTube fans. Got some new shit on my TMAXX. Uh-oh, what's that I hear? Oh, another TMAXX? These new parts will be a whole separate video, but the story of the TMAXX. Somebody has one and then everybody has one. This is the break-in procedure here. Nothing too exciting to see. Just a nice 2 seconds of quarter throttle. First tank ever on the TMAXX my buddy just bought or got for Christmas. Good old-fashioned break-in. How do you like your TMAXX so far, Brian?
It's pretty boring on the break-in.
Pretty boring on the break-in, he says. Those brakes are crisp.
Nice.
I like that white body. I really like that white body.
I know, so do I.
I feel like it looks more like a truck for some reason. From the back.
The brakes too work really good.
I got some new parts. Oh, sneak peek. That's a whole nother video there. I ain't gonna tell you what's on it. I'm still waiting on one more part. Very first TMAXX run. What are you adjusting on there? Steering.
Seemed to went straight that time.
You giving it half throttle. Don't give it that much. The break-in procedure is so exciting.
Yeah, I know.
This is not the time to impress your friends. Nitro RC.